everyone, welcome to this training. We'll explore tools like Decktopus, Canva, Gamma, and more, and how you can start using them immediately. Creating presentations used to take hours, but not anymore. In this training, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools.
Today, we're diving into a whole new generation of AI tools that are frankly revolutionizing one of the most dreaded tasks in the professional world, making presentations.
Let's start with a feeling we all know, right? That moment you open PowerPoint or Google Slides and that blank white slide just stares back at you. It's almost taunting you.
You know exactly what's coming next. Hours of tweaking text boxes, fighting with formatting, hunting for the right words. And often it's for a deck that people forget about 5 minutes after you're done speaking. It just feels like such a huge waste of time and effort. But what if that whole painful process could just go away? Well, it can. Here's what we're going to cover in this explainer. We'll talk about why the old way is dead, dive into the best AI tools for different jobs, and then show you how to combine them to build your own perfect presentation workflow. So let's just get this out of the way first. The old way is over. Seriously, the whole process of building slides manually, one agonizing click at a time, it's quickly becoming obsolete. Those wasted hours and that frustration, they don't have to be part of the deal anymore. And this brings us to the game-changing solution, this new wave of AI-powered presentation makers. And listen, these aren't just fancy templates. These are platforms that can take your scattered ideas, a blog post, or even just raw notes, and magically transform them into a stunning set of slides in minutes. It's a total shift in how we get this kind of work done. Okay, so let's get into our first group of tools. These are for the professionals out there who really live and die by their ability to grab your attention. The marketers and creators. For them, a presentation isn't just about sharing info, it's a tool to get you to act. First up, we've got Decktopus AI. Now, this tool isn't just trying to make pretty slides. It is built from the ground up for interaction and, more importantly, for conversion. And here's where Decktopus really gets interesting. That unique feature? It lets you embed things like forms and call to action buttons right inside your slides. But the real kicker is the analytics. You can actually see who clicked on what, which is absolutely huge if you're building a sales funnel or trying to create an interactive lead magnet to capture emails. Next up is a name I'm sure you know, Canva. But if you think of Canva as just a simple design tool, you need to look again. Its new AI features have turned it into an absolute creative powerhouse. So the superpower of Canva is its complete design ecosystem. What that means is you're not just making slides in a vacuum. You can generate a presentation and then boom, right inside Canva, repurpose that same content into a YouTube video, a bunch of social media posts, whatever you need. For any creator trying to be everywhere at once, that is a massive, massive time saver. And the third tool in our creative toolkit is Gamma. And Gamma takes a really modern, almost radical approach to what a presentation even means. Yeah, so Gamma pretty much throws out the old static, click-by-click slideshow. Instead, it creates these interactive experiences that feel more like a mini website or a web page. This makes it incredibly powerful for storytelling, and it's perfect for, say, turning a long blog post into something dynamic and way more shareable. Okay, let's switch gears. We're moving from the world of viral content and social media to an environment where the pressure is totally different, but just as intense. We're talking about the corporate and startup world, where professionalism, clear branding, and just looking sharp are everything. And for that world, there's Beautiful AI. This tool is obsessed with one thing and one thing only, creating clean, professional, perfectly designed slides without you having to mess with all the formatting. And the magic is right there in that unique feature, Smart Auto Layouts. It basically means as you add your text and images, the AI is constantly redesigning the slide in the background to keep everything looking balanced and beautiful. No more nudging text boxes around for an hour. It just makes sure your investor pitch or client deck always looks impeccably professional. Okay, but what if you don't really care about polish or marketing just yet? What if you just need to get a bunch of complicated ideas out of your brain and into some kind of structure, like right now? For that, you've got Presentation.ai. This tool is built for one thing, pure raw speed. It's the perfect place to start if you're a beginner, or really for anyone who just needs to bash out a quick first draft to get their thoughts in order. So here's the deal with Presentation.ai, and it's a really important one. You're making a trade-off. You give up a lot of the fine-tuned design control, but what you get back is incredible speed. It's the perfect weapon against that intimidating blank slide. Now, this next one is for all of you working with really dense information. I'm talking research papers, technical docs, tons of notes. Google's Notebook LM is a really powerful and unique tool for turning that research into slides. Let's be really clear, this tool is not about making things pretty. Its superpower is its ability to read all your source documents, understand them, and then summarize them directly into a structured presentation. If you're a course creator or building training content, this is an absolute game changer. It turns hours of work into seconds. Hey, just a super quick heads up before we move on. You might hear the name Frame.io thrown around when people talk about these creative AI tools. Just know it is not a presentation maker. It's a fantastic platform for video teams to work together, but it won't help you build a slide deck. Okay, let's keep going. So, with all of these amazing options, how in the world do you choose the right one? Well, the real pro move might be to not choose just one. The real power comes from combining these tools into your own custom stack that's perfect for your specific workflow. And this slide gives you a few ideas of what that looks like. It's all about pairing a main tool with a specialist one. So, for example, you could use Decktopus to build your interactive lead funnel, and then use Gamma to turn that same content into a cool, shareable web-style article. Or you could start in Notebook LM to get the structure from your research, and then pull that summary into Gamma or Canva to make it look amazing. You know, at the end of the day, this technology isn't really about just saving a few hours. It's about tearing down the wall between the ideas in your head and your ability to share them with the world. It frees you up to actually focus on the story, not on the software. So that leaves us with one final thought. With an AI as your personal designer, what great story are you gonna tell?